Hey everyone, we are here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and we are going to stay here at the Amish View Inn. Let's go check our room out. This is the lobby check-in area. This is your breakfast buffet dining area. Very spacious. Look at this. This is very nice. They have 2 TVs for you to watch in the morning while you're eating breakfast. You can watch the news. That was one. And the other one is situated further down. Very nice. And this is the gathering room with a fire pit right there. And look how cozy and cute this is. The gathering room, very nice. After you eat breakfast, you could just gather in this space area. Very nice. They provide you with free, freshly brewed iced tea and ice cold water. And this is free, guys, for the length of your stay every day. As you're walking down the lobby to go to your room, you come across this beautiful decor. Look at those lamps, how nice. They have all this sitting area situated around the lobby and this beautiful art decoration. Let's check out our room. It smells so good in here. It smells so refreshing, like strawberry. You could tell they clean very, very well. Okay, so right here, we come across this round gold mirror, light fixture, countertop, some shampoo, lotion, conditioner, soap, and cleansing and makeup removal. We have tissue, towels, toilet paper, and a hair dryer, and we have this extra mirror, I guess, cosmetic mirror. We have this small bathroom, very cozy, nice and clean. There's a shower head. Okay. We have some towels. Very simple. This bathroom is small and simple, but very clean. Then we have 2 queen beds. Look how nice. Very nice. This is beautiful. We have a nightstand, a clock. We have that lamp, and what I like about the lamp is that it has a charger. Very nice. We have a chair, lamp, and just look at this wide and large window with this beautiful view of the Amish farm. This is amazing. You guys imagine you waking up to this view in the morning? This is wonderful and amazing. And right here you have your AC, which works perfectly well. And this is a nice working desk with its wall mirror, a phone. Oh my goodness, and we have this Amish View welcoming chocolates. Very nice. We have this mirror, and we have a trash can, stand-up lamp. Oh, and I like this dresser, very fancy. The TV is inside the dresser. Ooh, very nice, very thought of. And you have your remote control right there. right here in plastic, nice and clean and sanitized. We have this mini kitchenette. We have space in here. We have this basin, and we have a microwave, and we have a refrigerator. That's nice and spacious. Very nice. We have a coffee machine, ice bucket, cups, coffee, and extra cups. We have this closet with an iron and iron board, extra pillows and hangers. And this is a whole body mirror. They have vending machines. And this is the guest indoor pool. Your guest room key is required for entry. Very nice. They have these chairs situated around. And this is the pool. It looks nice, right? It looks nice, right? Wow, so cute. Look at the stairs. And they also have these table with 4 chairs each. And what is it? This is the whirlpool, right? And this is the whirlpool, guys. Look at this. This is so nice. Let me touch the water. Wow, it's nice and hot. I like it. They also provide you with these beach chairs. This is nice, very nice. I like it. It's spacious. And right here, you have your towels. I like the color. They have the guest laundry right there. As you see, they have a washer and dryer. And right there, you could purchase your soap, bleach, and softeners for 75 cents each. And the washer and dryer, they are $1 each. There's also a fitness center, but it's closed today. They also provide you with an arcade. I like playing this, a ping pong. Oh, Pac-Man. Good morning, guys. We're gonna go to the breakfast buffet and we're gonna show you what they have to offer. The breakfast buffet hours are from 6:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. And here they have raisin breads, regular bread. They have your jams, peanut butter and jelly. Here's your toaster. They have cinnamon rolls and pecan sticky buns, and they are delicious. Cappuccino. Right here you have your coffee, your dark roast, your decaf, and your hot water. You have some tea, and you have your half and half milk, and all your other essentials, sugar, and everything else. They have apple, bananas. They provide gloves for you to use. They have milk. They have blueberries, strawberries. They have cream cheese. They have yogurt, your syrup, ketchup, salt, and pepper. And here you have your cereal, raisin, grains, Fruit Loops. And these are the juice they provide here at the breakfast buffet. They have dragon fruit, vitamin water, guava, orange juice, and apple juice. They also serve oatmeal and rice pudding. This is your made-to-order omelet inclusion. Right here, your egg, your breakfast hours. This is the breakfast made-to-order station. Right here, you could order freshly the breakfast you want to be made.
Spanish? Some spinach? Yeah. Okay. And tomato. Tomato, okay. We're looking at the cheddar cheese? Yep. Yep.
Very nice. Look at this, guys. Freshly breakfast made to order.
Thank you. Absolutely.
I think this is a plus. Let me see those skills.
Can I have waffle? Sure. One large chocolate waffle? Yep.
They humongous.
You're still hungry.
All right, thank you. Here's the breakfast that we order at the breakfast made to order station. But check this out, guys. Look at these pancakes. Isn't this amazing? Look at this. It has the horse with the buggy. Isn't this so cute? This is very, very thought of. That chef, he is awesome. We are here at the Amish View Inn. You know that the Amish uses their horses with their buggies for transportation. So what I like is that they put it there on the waffles. That is so cute. Beautiful way to start our morning. Look at the view you have here at the breakfast buffet. Sitting area. This is beautiful. This is our view as we eat our breakfast. This is amazing. Very, very priceless. The breakfast here, guys, is always every day freshly made. You would definitely love to eat here. How your breakfast taste?
Good.
It's good? Tastes fresh?
Yeah.
And you got the omelet, you got some bacon, and the waffles, right?
Yeah.
I still can't get over this. So cute. Amish buggy and their horses. This is amazing. This is very good. My omelet has tomato, it has spinach, it has onion, cheese, and of course the egg. I got some bacon, and let me tell you, the smell of the bacon is so good. Like, it's so fresh. Let me tell you, this place is wonderful. They have locally made sausages, they have scrambled eggs, they have bacon pork, and you must wear your gloves before touching anything, which is great. So they provide you with gloves. And they have scrambled eggs. A little bit of breakfast potato. Our breakfast looking so scrumptious, delicious. Yummy. They also have cinnamon rolls. Look how delicious this looks. I also took a little bit of breakfast potato, sausages, and more bacon. The cinnamon bun tastes actually very delicious. It's warm and it's not overpoweringly sweet. It tastes just right. Listen guys, ain't nothing better than having fresh breakfast with this beautiful view. And then after you finish eating your breakfast, check this out. You have this sofa right here which you could sit to rest after you finish eating. Sit down and relax in front of this amazing warm fireplace. On a cold day like today is perfect. And this is the station where you dispose of your dishes, and to the left your leftovers. They have hand sanitizer. And this is their restaurant outside. If you want to eat lunch or dinner, it's called a Smokehouse Barbecue and Brew. And it's situated right next to the hotel. We're not going to eat there. Another time we will, and we will bring it to you guys. If you're looking for a hotel to stay here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, we recommend this hotel because of value and what it has to offer. This hotel range from $130 up to $300 also. It depends on the weekday, on the weekend, and season. So just know that the price will range. It will go up, it will go down. It depends when you're going to stay. You could get it for cheaper, but you have to look online way ahead, like months before your stay. I also want to emphasize they have different room options. They have suites, they have standard room with 2 queen beds. That's the one we stay at. And they also have a standard room which has a king size bed and a sleeping sofa with a big large jacuzzi and a walk-in shower. That is beautiful. But the suite is gorgeous. We have stayed there before and we recommend that one too. It's a little bit more of a price, but it's well worth it. The hotel offers free breakfast buffet, and let me tell you, the breakfast is delicious. It's amazing. You have a great view of the Amish farm. I also like the way they engrave the horse Amish buggy on the waffles. That was very creative. The pools were very clean. The whirlpool was hot. It was great. The hotel itself is very clean and cozy. Our beds were very comfortable. Our pillows and everything in the room was fresh and clean. We had all the amenities we needed. We did not have housekeeping as what's going on the world now, but they give you a form which you will fill out and give to front desk by 12 p.m. And right there you will ask for anything that you need, like towels, shampoo, lotion, soap, whatever is it that you need. If you need fresh linens, you will bag your dirty linens and put them outside in front of your door. They will pick it up and they will bring you new fresh linens, and they will leave it at the door along with your request of your other amenities. The staff here were very nice. They were very attentive. Overall, our experience here at the Amish View Inn was great, was excellent. We will stay here again. As for value, is great. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more videos like this. Thank you for watching.